Hey guys, in today's video we're gonna kind of go through this like little unboxing video. I'm also gonna put on a YouTube video. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so this is my clear glitter case I got to go with my Delta Glow aesthetic stickers. I also got green aesthetic stickers with floral print type stuff, and then I also got orange aesthetic stickers to go with this clear case. And then in this bag, a jumbo bag. Okay. Oh, Zegan's pill container. Okay. My other case I got, my pink bow case. I got lightning bolt cases. I got the black bed sheets. I got my cheeseburger pill storage. I got sheets. Oh, I got my bed sheet. I got some more bed sheets. I got has a data cable set, USB to C type, USB to iPhone, type C to C, type C to iPhone, type C to micro, and it has different things on here, multifunctional. It's a charging case, plus it has one of those little doodad things in there to like get the SIM card port out. 2 more cases, another case, those things for my bedding, also the blanket for my bedding, and my tapestry. Oh my god, my tapestry is here. And then also my pop sockets. Oh my god, yay! And my blue butterfly stickers. And my thing. Oh, yes. These are freaking cute. Where's the thing? I just dropped it. Oh my god. I got a mirror. I got the white smiley face one at the mirror case.